Good afternoon. How are you?
We are fine, thank you, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm fine. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. What do you see on my hand? Yes, dear.
I see a ball.
Dear say, see a ball. This is everyone is familiar about a ball. This is a ball, okay?
Yes.
So what do you think will happen to the motion of a ball when it is thrown upward? Esther?
The ball will go up, then it will come downward.
The ball will go up and then come, fall, or come down. Can you show us?
Yes.
Yes. What do you think will happen if a ball released from my head? Yes. Nance?
It will fall down.
It will fall down. Can you show us? Yes. Thank you.
Yes.
So what makes a ball to fall down instead of going up when either released or thrown upward? Yes. What makes for a ball to fall downward instead of going upward? Minael?
A gravitation force.
What do you think about the gravitational force? And why it is a gravitational force? What is this gravitational force? Yes, what is this gravitational force? What does it mean? Esther?
As I remember, when I was taught by my teacher in Form 1, gravitational force is the only force that pulls objects downward.
So can you tell me that everything which is falling downward is due to gravitational force?
Yes.
Can you give me examples of things which falling down due to gravitational force? Give me examples. Where the mic?
A pen.
A pen. Pen can fall down. Can you show us how the pen falling down?
Yes.
Let's show us.
Kicking of the ball.
Kicking of the ball. How can kick a ball? Oh, sorry. May we go to the playground also to show us how the ball can be kicked up?
Yes.
Okay, we may go. Show us. Good. Another example, Esther.
Falling of leaves on the tree.
Outside to see how the leaves falling on the tree. Are we together?
Yes.
So let's go. From the trees. Yes, we see that. Kicking up of a ball, falling of the trees. We say this all are influenced by gravitational force. The motion which influenced by gravitational force is so called yes.
Motion under gravity, because the objects which are falling down are influenced by gravitational force.
Motion under gravity, because that's what gravity, as we have learned that gravity is a process of pulling objects down, so that we are calling it motion under gravity.
A hand for all participants. Today we are going to discuss motion under motion under gravity. This in 3 groups to conduct a simple experiment. Each group provided with a plain paper and the wooden block. Okay. Listen carefully the steps and then follow the instruction of the experiment. These 2 objects simultaneously and observe what happened. So, are you through?
Yes.
So, now tell me which object reached the ground first? First? Yes.
It's a wooden block.
A wooden block. Amina say it is a wooden block. Is she correct? Yes. All of you observed that wooden block reached the ground first?
Yes.
We are going to conduct experiment number 2. Fold the plain paper to make a ball paper and then release the 2 objects simultaneously and observe what happened. Okay. Are you through?
Yes.
Which object reached the ground first? Yes.
All of them, they reached the ground first.
All correct?
Yes.
All you observed that scenario?
Yes.
So can you tell me why a flat sheet of paper or plain paper falls slower than a ball paper? Why?
Because of mass.
Patrick?
Because it failed to occupy the air resistance.
Fail. So in this air resistance, we have a new concept known as a free fall. Free fall. What is a free fall? Can you tell me? One minute. Discuss about the free fall. Yes, Nance?
Free fall. This is a tendency of an object to fall down freely without being forced or being touched by anything.
A free fall occurs without air resistance. So we may say that free fall is a movement of an object in which gravitational force is the only force acting on it without air resistance. For more understanding, let us to watch a video.
Natural forces. One among these forces is a gravitational force which causes object to move toward its center. No matter where we are on the earth, gravitational force acting, which is pulling object toward its center. This force acting at the center of the earth. Trees and other objects are on the range of gravitational force. That is why fruits falling down from their trees because they experience gravitational force. Mechanisms of a ball to fall is simple. When a ball thrown upward starts to move with the initial velocity greater than 0. As the ball proceeds to move upward, its velocity decreases with the time. This is due to presence of a gravitational force which acted downwards. This means that the ball decelerates with acceleration opposite to acceleration due to gravity, which is negative 9.8 meters per second square. This means for every second, velocity of the ball decreases by 9.8 meter per second. Then a ball reach a maximum height, stop momentarily at a point where its velocity becomes zero, and this velocity is so called the final velocity of the ball. Then the ball enters second phase of downward movement, in which it starts to move with the initial velocity, which equal to zero. The ball proceeds to move downward by increasing its velocity. This means the ball accelerates, and this acceleration is influenced by gravitational force. The acceleration is so-called acceleration due to gravity, which equal to 9.8 meter per second square. This means that for every second, velocity of the ball moving downward increases by 9.8 meter per second. Assume the ball thrown upward with the initial velocity of 30 meter per second. So for every second, velocity of the ball will decrease by interval of 10 meter per second until the maximum height is reached, where the final velocity completely becomes zero. So the time taken for the ball to reach maximum height will be 3 seconds. So given equation of motion under gravity for object moving upward, the first equation describes initial velocity of object which equal to negative gt. The second equation describes height moved by object which equal to ut minus a half gt square. The third equation describes initial velocity which equal to negative gh. Negative means object move against gravity, and we deal with initial velocity because the final velocity in upward movement equal to zero.
We have a task we are supposed to perform. Put a tick for free fall object and cross for non-free fall object. Yes, Nance? Welcome to our interview about our lessons, okay? A few questions about our lesson. Starting with Mr. Aaron. We see different things falling down, even they thrown upward or released from a height. For example, we saw to the playground as the ball kicked upward and the leaves falling on the trees, okay? But our fellows said this is due to gravitational force. So, can you explain briefly about the gravitational force?
Yes, sir.
Yes, welcome.
It's because of gravitational force. Because gravitational force is a force that attracts objects to come down. Even when they are thrown up, the gravitational force takes them to come down. And
Okay, you say gravitational force is a force which attracts the object downward. Thank you.
Yes.
We see our fellow Nance put a cross to the landing parachutist. Okay, it means that the landing parachutist is not a free fall object. So, can you explain in briefly why a landing parachutist is not a free fall object?
Yes, I can explain. A land parachute is not a free fall because a landing parachute, it is being directed and driven by a human being.
Joel,
Yes, sir.
I think you watched and you observed the video very carefully.
Yes, sir.
So, can you tell us why velocity of object moving upward, the final velocity is always zero? Why?
It's because of gravity.
Because of gravity. So, how gravity can make the final velocity of object moving upward to be zero?
It is when something goes up, gravity makes its velocity to be zero, to make it take it to fall it down, to be easier.
Okay, so gravity hide object proceeding moving upward. So thank you for your time.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.